ईयर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप इन वीडियो लेक्चर्स का मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइजेशन करना चाहते हो तो आई थिंक आपको ये इंप्रूव सेशन डेफिनेटली फॉलो करना चाहिए और रिलीजियसली फॉलो करना चाहिए। इंप्रूव सेशन क्या है, इसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है, तो जाओ उसको चेक करो। इसके अलावा अगर आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो, और मुझे लगता है आपको करना भी चाहिए, तो आप क्या करो, हमारे वेबसाइट पे जाकर के अपने कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स दे दो या फिर इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे जाकर के अपने कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स दे दो, सो दैट हम आपको उसमें ऐड कर सके। चलो अब पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं।
Hello everyone, I am Vikas Jain, your maths faculty. We are here to teach you a crash course based on IIT JEE segment, and today's topic is straight line. So without delay, let's start straight line. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे, if there are 2 points AB and you join 2 points AB in a straight manner, then the geometry obtained is straight line. Suppose the point is x1, y1 and B point is x2, y2. So सबसे पहले बेसिक फंडा यहाँ पे होता है स्लोप। स्लोप क्या होता है उसको समझने की कोशिश करते हैं। स्लोप इज नथिंग बट इफ यू ड्रॉ x and y axis, suppose this is x, this is y, then this line is making some angle with positive x-axis. Let's suppose it is theta. This theta angle is called inclination, and the tan of this theta is called slope. Here m is the indication of slope. Okay, suppose if theta is equal to 30 degree, so you can easily find the slope m is equal to tan 30, which is equal to 1 by root 3. If theta is obtuse angle, then slope will be negative. You know the tan obtuse angle will give you negative. So from here we can obtain that slope, the value of slope can be lying between minus infinity to plus infinity and 0 and infinity also. Okay, so I think now it's clear what is slope. Let's move on another topic. Now okay, first of all, this is the first method of slope. Now second methodology to find the slope is nothing but the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, so let's do some example. Suppose you have point A 2, 0 and point B 0, 2. So what will be the slope? Calculate करो जल्दी से, fast. It's nothing but y2 minus y1, so 2 minus 0 upon 0 minus 2. क्या आंसर है? 2 upon minus 2, which is minus 1. The slope will be minus 1. ओके, अब आई थिंक सबको क्लियर हो गया होगा कि स्लोप क्या होती है। कि स्लोप के दो फॉर्मूले होते हैं। नंबर 1 tan ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन, और इंक्लिनेशन मतलब क्या, एंगल थीटा फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस, एंड y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So next thing is equation of straight line. So there are some ways to find the equation of the straight line. First of all, we will understand number 1 is y is equal to mx plus c, which is slope intercept form. Here m is slope and c is y intercept. C is y intercept. Number 2 is y 2-point form. It is called 2-point form. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So if you are having 2 points, just put the value of y2, x2, x1 and y1 in this formula and you will get the equation of line. Number 3, double intercept form. Suppose you are having 2 intercept. This intercept, the length is A, which is called x intercept, and this length is B, which is called y intercept. Then the equation of straight line will become x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. Okay, let's do some question about it. Suppose there is a question, you have to find the equation of line having the condition number 1, 2 points are given, A 1, 1 and B 2, 5. Find the equation of line. So which formula do you use? this second one 2 point form, देखो y1 y2 x2 x1 both are given, so क्या होगा y minus y1 is value of y1 is 1 is equal to y2 minus y1 5 minus 1 upon x2 minus x1 2 minus 1 into x minus x1. So equation will be y minus 1 is equal to 4 upon 1 x minus 1. Now the equation will become y minus 1 is equal to 4x minus 4. The answer will be 4x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Got it? I think सबको क्लियर हो चुका होगा ये. चलो नेक्स्ट बढ़ते हैं आगे, एक दो सम इसके ऊपर कर लेते हैं. चलो अब देखते हैं कि सपोज डबल इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म है तो उसका एग्जांपल कैसे होगा. सपोज क्वेश्चन इज गिवन, a line passes through a point 1,1, a line passes through a point 1,1 and have equal intercept on coordinate axis. Then find the equation. तो ध्यान से पढ़ो क्वेश्चन को. If a line passes through a point 1,1 and have equal intercept on coordinate axis, then find the equation. तो देखो क्या बोल रहा है वो, इंटरसेप्ट की बात कर रहा है. तो इंटरसेप्ट मतलब सबसे पहले डायग्राम बनाएंगे रफली. बोल रहा है इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट. क्या बोल रहा है? इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट. तो सपोज दिस इज A और ये कितना था आपका B. तो यहाँ क्या हुआ? A equal to B is given, equal intercept. Now the equation will become this one because here it is talking about the intercepts. So x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Both are equal. So from 1 we can return as x by A plus y by A is equal to 1. From here x plus y is equal to A. Okay, and it is saying that this will become the equation, and it is saying that this line passes through 1,1. Now you have to find the value of A, or 1,1 is given, so we will use it. If 1,1, this line is passing through 1,1, so it will satisfy this equation. So 1 plus 1 is equal to A. From here A is equal to 2. So equation will become x plus y is equal to 2. This is your answer. ये बहुत फेमस क्वेश्चन है, जेईई में भी आया हुआ एक दो बार और बोर्ड में कई बार पूछा जाता है. ठीक है, चलो बढ़ते हैं हम आगे. Now the next form is normal form. So in normal form what we are doing, just look carefully. Suppose this is a straight line, this line is a straight line, and from origin there is a perpendicular on it, perpendicular drawn on it. Suppose this point is called P, and the length of OP is P. Suppose this is A, otherwise there will be confusion. OA will be P, and suppose this angle is alpha. This angle is alpha. So in terms of P and alpha, and remember that what is P? The length of perpendicular from origin, and what is alpha? The angle of this perpendicular from positive x-axis. So equation of straight line will become x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. ये remember करना है, ध्यान रखना. x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Okay. Now next one is parametric form. Now parametric form, the equation is as simple as the normal form or the other form. This is x minus x1 upon cos theta is equal to y minus y1 upon sin theta is equal to r. So let me elaborate it. Suppose there is a straight line. Suppose this is a straight line and x1 y1 point is given. x1 y1 point is given. So from this point A, r distance from A, r at r distance there will be some point. suppose B or B dash. So the equation of parametric says x minus x1 upon cos theta is equal to r. And what is theta? Cos theta sin theta. Theta is nothing but the inclination of this line. वही tan theta वाला. So x will become x1 plus r cos theta. इन दोनों को रब करो. And y will become y1 plus r sin theta. This is the point x1 comma x comma y, which indicates the point coordinate of another point B, which is having r distance from the given point A. Okay, and if you are taking the plus sign in upward direction, then you have to take the minus sign on lower direction. So x1 plus r cos theta, x1 minus y1 plus r sin theta. So next form is determinant form. Suppose a straight line is there having 2 point A, x1 comma y1, and B, x2 comma y2. So equation of a straight line will be x y1 x1 y1 1 and x2 y2 1 is equal to 0. Equation of straight line will be indeterminate form is this. आपको पता ही x1 y1 क्या है. x1 y1 and x2 y2 are given points and x y are general coordinates. Okay, so after solving it, whatever you will obtain, this will be the equation of line. Next form is general form. So general form, the equation of a straight line is ax plus by is equal plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So in terms of this straight line, this is for example 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. This is the general form equation of straight line. Suppose x plus y is equal to 0. This is also the straight line. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is 0. Okay, so in terms of this ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, this will always represent the equation of straight line. And the one major factor is, from this you can calculate the slope as minus a by b. So suppose 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 is here, and you have to calculate the slope. Then use this formula, minus a by b. What is the value of a? 2 minus and 2. What is the value of b? 3. The slope will be minus 2 by 3. And here the slope is बताओ कितना होगा? Minus, what is the value of a? x के बाजू में क्या है? 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 and b 1. Slope will be minus 1. Let's do another example. Y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now y plus 7 is equal to 0. What is the slope? You can rewrite this equation in terms of general equation like 0 into x. X is not here, so we can rewrite it 0 into x plus 1 into y plus 7 is equal to 0. The slope will be minus a, that is 0, upon b 1. My answer will be 0. So we finished the equation of line. So let's do some example over it. Question number 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is a very basic question. Which form is this? This is a general form. Okay, so you have to find number 1 slope of the line, number 2 x intercept, and number 3 y intercept. ओके, अभी कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? नंबर 1 बात करते हैं हम स्लोप की. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आइडेंटिफाई द वैल्यूज ऑफ ए बी एंड सी. सो बताओ कोई क्या है वैल्यू ए और बी और सी की? ए की वैल्यू है 3, दिख रहा होगा. बी विल बी 4 एंड सी इज -7. ओके, The slope, the formula of slope is अभी मैंने बताया minus a by b which is equal to minus 3 by 4. This is the slope. Okay. Now number 2, x intercept. देखो, to find the value of x intercept, you have to find the value of this length. Okay. So this coordinate will be a comma 0 and this coordinate will be, if this length is b, 0 comma b. So for x intercept, the y value will be 0. So we will put the value of y is equal to 0. So y 0 is equal, then the x intercept will be 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. Y की value 0 put करिए. X will be 3x is equal to 7 and x will be 7 by 3. So this 7 by 3 is length of x intercept. Now number 3, y intercept. Y intercept. So what we have to do for y intercept? Like this. If x in x intercept y value will be 0, so in y intercept the x value will be 0. So put x equal to 0 in this equation. So equation will become 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. 4y is equal to 7 and the y value will be 4 by 4. So this is your answers. Okay. X and slope minus 3 by 4, x intercept 7 by 3 and y intercept 7 by 4. आई थिंक मुझे समझ में आया होगा आप लोगों को भी. ठीक है, तो बढ़ते हैं हम आगे. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द एंगल बिटवीन टू स्ट्रेट लाइन. तो सपोज देयर आर टू स्ट्रेट लाइन L1 and L2. तो देयर विल बी सम एंगल बिटवीन देम. दिस इज द एंगल थीटा. तो दिस विल बी पाई माइनस थीटा. ओके. एंड suppose line 1 having slope m1 and line 2 having slope m2. So there is a beautiful formula for this. The angle tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2 and mod of this. So modulus of this will give you the acute angle. The benefit of modulus is tan theta will be positive and it will give acute angle. So let's do some examples. Suppose मेरे equation है line 1 having the equation x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Line 2 is having the equation 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to find the values of m1 and m2, that is slope. For m1, slope m1 will be minus a by b minus 1 by 1, that is minus 1. And slope m2 will be minus a minus 2 upon b, b will be 1, so minus 2. Let's put the both value m1 and m2 in this formula. Tan theta will be m1. What is the value of m1? Minus 1. m2 minus m2 minus of minus 2 upon 1 plus m1 minus 1 and m2 minus 2. Now if you calculate this, it will become minus 1 plus 2, that will be 1 upon 1 plus 2, 3. Mod of 1 by 3 will become 1 by 3. So if tan theta is equal to 1 by 3, what is the value of angle? Theta. Theta will be tan inverse 1 by 3. Okay, got it? ऐसे फॉर्मूला होता है. चलो लेट्स डू अनदर क्वेश्चन. तो एक क्वेश्चन मेरे पास है, मैं इसको करवा के बताता हूँ. You have to find the equation of a straight line which is passing through 3, minus 2 and making angle 60 degree with root 3x plus y is equal to 1. इस टाइप के सम जेई में बहुत आते हैं, तो ध्यान से देखना कैसे मैं कर रहा हूँ. Suppose this is your line having the equation root 3x plus y is equal to 1, and you have to find the equation of line which is making an angle of 60 degree with this line. L1 is here, L2 is here. What I am doing? I am considering let slope of L2 is m. Slope of L2 is m. इसका स्लोप हमने m ले ली. Can you calculate the value slope of m1? Slope of L1 वो कितना होगा? माइनस b by a, minus a by b, and what is the value of a? रूट 3. तो माइनस रूट 3 by b 1 कितना हुआ? माइनस रूट 3. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, ध्यान समझना, देयर इज अ एंगल गिवन, और अभी हमने पढ़ा एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइन. द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइन इज tan of theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So what is the value of this? Tan theta is equal to m1 की वैल्यू कितनी है? माइनस रूट 3 माइनस m2, यू डोंट नो द m2, m लिख देते हैं इसको, अभी हमने अज्यूम किया, अपॉन 1 प्लस व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ m1 माइनस रूट 3 एंड m2 की वैल्यू कितनी है? m. And this theta is given 60 degree. So let's put the value of theta 60 degree. Now do you know the value of tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree is root 3 is equal to minus root 3 plus minus root 3 minus m upon 1 minus root 3m. Now if you square it, it will become 3 is equal to root 3 minus m upon 1 minus root 3m का whole square. Solve this. If you solve this, you will get the values of m as, मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ, इसको मिटा रहा हूँ, values of m will be m is equal to 0 and root 3. 0 and root 3. So m की दो वैल्यू आई है. अब करना क्या है? What you have to do? You have to find the equation of line passing through 3, -2. अब point पता है and you know the slope. तो how to find the equation of line which is having point and slope? There is the equation y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. y minus y1 की वैल्यू कितनी है? -2. स्लोप की वैल्यू कितनी है? एक बार लिखेंगे 0 इंटू x माइनस 3, कितना हुआ? y प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. एक तो ये इक्वेशन होगी, तो ये नंबर 1 इक्वेशन. नंबर 2 क्या है कि स्लोप कितना है? m इज इक्वल टू रूट 3, ये आया. And the equation will be y minus -2 is equal to root 3 times of x minus 3. कितना आंसर आया? y plus 2 is equal to root 3 x minus 3 root 3. तो y is equal to root 3, y is equal to root 3x minus 2 minus 3 root 3 is your answer. Okay? So ऐसे क्वेश्चन भी कभी कभी आते हैं. ठीक है, चलो बढ़ते हैं आगे, समझे.